it is, but the second column will be changed with constants, that is 505. Again 3 minus 1 1. I think you understand what I am doing here. Just I am replacing only the second column elements with constants. There I can get plus, minus, plus. This you may write eliminating 1 into this part. 0 plus 5. Again minus 5 into eliminating this one. 4 minus 1. You got it as like this. 4 minus of minus 1. Again plus 3 into this part. 20. Now finally you got there 5. This one is minus 15. Minus 15. Again this is plus 60. So this will remains as 50. So what we get there, simply delta 2 is 50. So we got the delta 2, we got already delta 1, we got already delta. Now I have to calculate the delta 3. So how to calculate the delta 3? The same principle we follow. That means I replace the last column elements with the constants. See here, I would like to replace the last column with constants. See, I am doing here on that only part. Here I may write like this, delta 3 I am going to write. The delta 3 can be written as this one. Delta 3 is equal to, you may get like this, 1, 4, minus 1, minus 1, 2, 3. So first two columns are as it is, but the last column will be replaced with constants. Those are 505, right? It is delta 3. So I have to evaluate this part. This is equal to 1 into 10. This is the part. Actually plus 1 into minus of minus 1. Plus 1 into this part is 20. Again plus 5 into eliminating this one. This part is here 12 plus 2. 12 plus 2. So what we get there, here 10 plus 20 plus 70, it's equal to 100. Now we got the delta 3. So delta 1 you got, delta 2 you got, delta 3 you got, delta is already calculated. Okay, when you know these three values, you can say now x will be, by the known principles or by already discussions or by previous discussions, we may write x is delta 1 by delta, y is delta 2 by delta, z is delta 3 by delta. I think you can got it this one. Here delta 1, already we know that 0 by 50. Again, so this value is 0. X value is equal to 0. Similarly, y is equal to delta 2, that is 50 by 50. This is 1. Again, z is equal to delta 3. It is 100 by 50. This is equal to 2. Therefore, final answer you got x0, y1, z2. So these are the values what we can get it as x0, y1, z2. So these are the values what we have to solve. So this is the way to solve a Crammers rule. Now you understand the Crammers rule, how you can find a Crammers rule by using this method. So this is an important thing and a very important question also. So it's a very easy and important. So try to concentrate this type of questions, then you will get the more marks and your percentage will rise if you do like this. So this is the one of the part of the matrices, right? Now I would like to take the one more example. If we consider the another example, then you become a very equanimous in this with this types of matrices, so we can get it very easily. So this is the another example I am going to consider. Okay, now I am consider the another example for Crammers rule. Solve the equations by Crammers rule. Right, the question is given as like this: 2x minus y plus 3z is equal to 8, minus x plus 2y plus z is equal to 4, 3x plus y minus 4z is equal to 0. Right, to solve this, we may apply this entire part like this. Convert this entire form into Ax is equal to b. Everybody knows that this is called as matrix equation form. A is nothing but cofactors matrix. There you write 2 minus 1 3, minus 1 2 1, 3 1 minus 4, it is A. Again you write X, it is a variable matrix, X Y Z. B is equal to here 8 4 0. So these are the things. Right, Ax is equal to B. This we write the matrix equation. Now I am going to solve this by using Cramer's rule. In the Cramer's rule we have to calculate delta. I think you know this. Delta is equal to determinant A. That is equivalent as like this. 2 minus 1 3 minus 1 2 1. Again 3 1 minus 4. You are like this. In this case 2 minus 1 3 minus 1 2 1 3 1 minus 4. You have like this. In this case you have to calculate this delta value. This delta can be evaluated, I think by our previous discussions we may come to conclusion as like this. This delta, any determinant can be expanded either by using column or by using row. We can expand. Now also I would like to do by the first row only, plus minus plus. Right, here 2 into this part I can write like this, minus 8 minus 1, minus of minus 1 into, eliminating this row and this column, you may get it as like this, 1 minus 1 into minus 4, 4 minus 3, again plus 3 into, eliminating this row and this column, we may get minus 1 minus 6. Right, in these parts you can write this one as like this. This is 2 minus 9s minus 18, again plus 1. Would you remember this? Actually 4 minus 3 1, 1 into plus 1 1 only. Again here minus 21. This is the minus 21. Finally this answer is minus 38. So this is the value of that. Now after this you got the delta value. So delta is minus 13, minus 38. I got it. Now I would like to write the delta 1. We have to calculate the delta 1 part. Now I am going to calculate the delta 1. The delta 1 is obtained by eliminating the first column with constants. By eliminating the first column with constants, we get the delta 1. See, the delta 1, I write it as like this. Delta 1, you have to calculate. The delta 1 part is equivalent as, is equal to determinant 8 4 0. The first column of delta replaced by constants, minus 1 2 1 3 1 minus 4. It is the delta 1. What will be the delta 1 value and what can be the delta 1 value? We have to evaluate. Now to evaluate this delta 1, we are writing like this, 8 into this part, minus 8 minus 1 plus 1 into, eliminating this part, minus 16, again plus 3 into, this one you have to write, this is equivalent as 3 into 4. Right, after this it will become minus 72 minus 16 plus 12. This answer is minus 76. Right, delta 1 you got minus 76. Okay, delta you got and delta 1 you got. Now I would like to go to find out the delta 2. What will be the value of delta 2? To calculate this delta 2, I am writing the delta 2 first. To write the delta 2, I have to eliminate the second row with constants. I am writing the delta 2. The delta 2 is 2 minus 1 3. Here delta 2 we are going to evaluate. So that's why the second column is replaced with the constant terms, 840. Again 3 1 minus 4. This is the part. See, here we can write like this, 2 into minus 16 minus 8 into, eliminating this part, what we get there, 4 minus 3, 4 minus 3, again plus 3 into this elimination is you have done it. So that will be minus 12. Minus 12. So this also equal to, by simplification, it gives a minus 76. Delta 2 is also equal to minus 76. Delta 2 will become minus 76 and delta 1 is already minus 76. Delta is minus 38. Okay, we got it like this. Now I have to calculate the delta 3. I think delta 3 also simply replace the last column with constants. That also we may write delta 3 as like this. This delta 3 is equivalent to here 2 minus 1 3 minus 1 2 1 8 4 0. So this I have to evaluate. This I may get like this 2 into 0